Good morning everyone. As promised, latest edition just arrived about 20 minutes ago from the postman, ordered yesterday afternoon from Inside Line Models. It's another Accurascale Class 66, this time in EWS maroon and gold, 66171, and as you can see it's DCC sound fitted. So here she is. And what also arrived at the same time, which is just perfect for the video, is the 4 RMC live read Bachmann JGAs, which now takes the rake up to 10, gives it a bit of colour as well. So literally just about to fire this up for the first time. This will also be set to address number 3. And there's the lights. Let's just check I got the right direction. Yep, lights are changing. Lovely. Let's fire it up. Sounding good so far. Here's the first of the RMC JGAs. Trying to mix them up a bit within the rig. I will get around to removing the front bumper from the 66 at some point. Like I said, I'm literally just taking straight out of the box, straight into the layout. I will remove the front coupling and put the full buffer detailing on, and then I'll add some drivers then. So I'm just trying to take her up to maybe 3/4 of the power. Running absolutely beautifully, as are the wagons as well, considering the old JGAs which have been around for years. I think a rig of 10 is good enough for the size of my layout. I'm quite happy with that, especially because I've got a bit of live reads as well. Yeah, very happy with that. Hope you like. Thank you for watching. Take care.